What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. So today, guys, I am in the 442 Cutlass. I'm headed up here to drop her off for some much needed maintenance and just a few little upgrades here and there. So I've been driving this thing a while now. It's got 39,000 original miles, and it's time for a tune-up and a few other things that need to be taken care of. So I'm headed over here to my good friends at West Point Automotive. These guys are really, really good. They specialize in classic cars. And so my guy Mike over here, he's really, really good. So I'm gonna bring the car to him, let him put his magic fingers on this thing and get this thing worked out, all the little issues and kinks and whatnot. So anyways, guys, before we get into that, do me a huge favor, hit that like button for me, guys. Also, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. So let's get to it, guys. First things first, we need to get this top up, or get it down, I guess. If the top is closed, is that down? Or does that mean it's up? And if the top is open, does that mean it's down, or does that mean it's up? That's one of those things I've never quite been able to figure out. But you guys tell me in the comments, what do you think it is? You said what?
Something feels like it's out of balance.
What do you think?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's part of the reason why I brought it to you, because it feels like it's missing or something. I mean, like once I'm like full throttle and I'm going down the road, it's fine. But like initial acceleration, it kind of like No, you just lift it up. Yeah, there you go. It just sputters, and then. And I got an exhaust manifold leak, which I'm gonna have you sort that out for me too. It's on this side here, you can hear it.
Alright, I'll see if I think it's idling a little low.
Definitely idling rough. And it wasn't idling like that before. It just started doing that maybe like 6 months ago. I was thinking maybe a vacuum line or something, or.
Yeah, I hear something. Alright, let's make it back.
Okay. There she is. There's a nice Mustang. Looks like a Lincoln Continental C10, K5 Blazer, in Malibu. I don't know what that is there. Whatever it is, it looks cool. There. One more shot before we leave. And all right, guys, that's it. We dropped her off. Time to head home. We got a list of all the things we're gonna work on. So I'm gonna have him look at doing a full tune-up on the car, check all the fluids, oil change, just general maintenance check. Also, he's gonna replace a exhaust manifold gasket that is bad on that. He's gonna check out some other things like I think there's a miss with the car. He's also gonna check the I've got a leak, a coolant leak. He's gonna check that, and a few other things. So he's got quite a list to go through. So hopefully, once he gets all that stuff knocked out, the car will be running tip top and no issues. So I'll be sure to, of course, keep you guys posted on the updates on that, see how it goes. Of course, I'll shoot a video and let you know how it turned out, what I paid, what the cost was, But these guys over at West Point Automotive, they're really good. Like I said again, they specialize. Mike, he's the master mechanic here, the owner of the place. He really specializes in classic cars. So if you look over here, you'll see nothing but classic cars in his shop. That's his specialty. People have come to trust him with their cars. So it's really nice to find somebody who can work on these old cars, especially cars that are carbureted. Because nowadays, I'm starting to find more and more that these newer mechanics that have come out of school like in the last decade, they're all reliant or dependent on the computer systems in their diagnostic machines to tell them what's wrong with the car rather than being able to just really diagnose the issue with the car on their own. And anything with a carburetor, you can forget about it. Most of the newer mechanics, they just don't have the skill level or the reference, the reference information to be able to tune a carburetor or really anything that is not computer controlled. So it's nice to find somebody who knows the stuff. Mike isn't necessarily the most cost effective, or the least the least costly option, but he does quality work, and that's all I can ask for is good quality work. So, but again, like I said, I'll definitely keep you guys posted on the progress, and I'll let you know how it all turns out.
How you make it drop, baby?